Good morning. Last night we spent the night on a boat. I bet you think it's here. But no, it wasn't. The boat was right here. Okay, so we're on a commercial fishing boat of one of my really good friends, and we're here because we're gonna help them dock the boat for the season. But they take it every year out on the water somewhere south of Alaska. Yeah, it's really going into the water today. Yes, so we have a lot of things to do today. Take a look. So one of the chores is help cleaning out, which could use some organization, but this is the seating area. Kitchen. Captain number 2 spot. Miscellaneous and stove. And then come walk down here. Bunks, baby. This is like 4 bunks. And me and Monet slept very comfortably over here, and that's the shower. Let me show ya. Yeah, that little tin box filled with paper towels right now. But they actually said that they're one of the only boats out on the water that has a shower. Which is pretty cool. Yeah. And I guess last year during COVID, they weren't allowing people to leave their boats, so there would be people that had been out fishing for weeks and weeks without taking a shower. Which is insane. On this boat, that was a luxury. Yeah. So, pretty cool. Yep, this is the bunks is where the crew meets. Yeah, this is the crew's area. And upstairs is the crow's nest. They're the captain's nest.
Is that how we do it on the boat? We take the dogs down a ladder?
I was gonna try to take her down.
Hello, Captain Cody. Freedom!
Yay!
Good work.
Good work.
Oh yeah.
I'm happy. Hip, hip.
All right, what are we doing today?
We gotta get this boat in that water over there.
So what are we doing right now? Wanna go get breakfast?
We gotta get breakfast. Yeah, supposedly like this big crane comes and picks up the boat and like drives it over to the water and then drops it in the water.
Wow.
So I'm actually very interested to see that whole process because that's something I've never seen before.
That's gonna be cool.
This is so Alaskan. Yeah.
Out, Pips.
Caliper, we can do better.
You guys, today's the day. Are you ready? Yes. Blood money. Are you guys nervous?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Always a little bit when you first drop in the water. You're always looking at everything to make sure that you don't have any leaks that you didn't anticipate and whatnot.
Yeah, that would be very unfortunate.
Yeah, that would be unfortunate.
Captain Cody. What do people call you on the boat? Just Captain?
So some people do. Most people just call me Cody.
You go, Cody. You're so humble. You're so humble.
Cody. What are you technically? Are you a deckhand?
I'm a minion.
Not a bosun.
I'm a minion.
A minion. Okay,
a
minion Virginian. Yeah. All right, let's roll some errands.
Non-insulated.
Is this what we're getting?
Unfortunately, I lost an insulated boot, but I think I'm just gonna get a non-insulated one. You can have one cold foot and one warm foot.
Get a pair of socks with it.
You should have got those boot liner thingies from the other.
Wow, this is an awesome store.
Yeah, it's great.
This is like fishing town heaven.
From as soon as
Look at this.
came out the womb.
There was a smaller one.
It's okay.
Same price.
Same price, yeah.
Wait, what'd you just get?
A can of bug rub.
Did you already use it?
No.
Free sample, amazing.
Let me try. What is it, a scone?
My dog, another one.
Scone.
So this coffee is
oh yeah,
is brewed here or whatever. What do you call it? Roasted here. How good is what is it? K-Bay made in Homer, Alaska.
K-Bay.
Oh, K-Bay coffee, baby.
honestly.
Ooh. Is your nose red? You look cold.
Yeah, I'm wearing
So we just had this coffee at this diner we were at and had delicious breakfast. Yeah. How's the coffee?
honestly the best diner drip coffee I've ever had.
I know, it's f***ing delicious. Cheers.
Don't forget your food.
Oh yeah, my leftovers are up there so the little hounds don't eat it. Now I'll put it back.
Now put it back.
Oh, so last store we went to, Virginia got a dope handmade cosmetic bag. Amazing.
Hey, buddy.
Okay. The crane is about to come. We're about to lift this boat up and put it over there.
It's go time.
We have to wait for the tide around 3 p.m. to be right to put it in the water. So. Lift it up and put it in the ocean. Check it out. Okay, they just launched and now we're gonna go meet them at the Homer Spit right on the, we're gonna go dock. Okay, I'm driving them now. I can see them in the water. Woo! Okay, so we just put the boat in the water and Jill had to drive the car over there to pick us up. But basically, because this is the first time the boat's been in the water since last year, you put it in the water and you gotta do some tests. And then you just hope for the best that nothing's broken or there's no holes so that you don't sink, because they're headed out to the roaring sea. The roaring sea! Either tomorrow or the next day, hopefully tomorrow. And you don't want to get out there and then have your boat sink. So doing a bunch of tests, hoping for the best. And as of right now, it's looking like it's going very well. So that's a super big plus for the fishermen, fisherwoman, fisher people. Yeah. So here's to a good season. Get that bread. Get that bread. Should we go get cocktails? Should we go get cocktails? We're too happy. We worked for those cocktails. Sure did. Woo woo. We're like 4 boats deep. So to get off, we have to walk across all these other people's boats. Yeah. Just hop, hop, hop. Go, go, go.
take back them things you already done.
There we go. That's a cute face. How's it going, babe? Set up a tent. It's about 10 or 11 p.m. right now.
Get up.
This deep. Right now. We're setting up this bad boy. This is our shit. Beach camping in Alaska, baby. Fire there. Fire there.
And we're good.
How you doing, baby? You cold? You ready to go to bed?
I can go to bed soon. Alright, let's see. Now we gotta get this back out.
It's 11:30 p.m. and it's this light outside, you guys.
We're sleeping in a tent.
Oh yeah.
And it is fucking cold outside.
It's freezing.
It literally checked the weather walking out of dinner and it was 48 degrees. Can you get this one done? I can't get it.